In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change TikTok video playback speed on both iOS and Android devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up TikTok app. And then once you find a video you would like to change playback speed on, just hold down your finger at that video until this pop-up comes up, and that's where you can easily find the option which is called playback speed. On an Android it calls just speed. I mean speed, not playback speed. And then to change it, obviously we can just by tapping on it, and that's where we can select different playback speeds from 0.5 up to 2x. That's how it looks like. Just keep in mind that we change playback speed for a particular video. If we swipe to another one, it will play at a normal speed every time. And obviously if we close TikTok app and then if we open it up again, it will also start playing with normal playback speed. Normal, I mean 1x. The same on an Android device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.